Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte B450M K motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com and then you can search on the click and then enter your model number of your motherboard B450MK and then hit enter and click on that. Click on subject. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, 10 and all are there. So select all the installations process same. Audio driver and click to download. Then open it after downloaded just and then click as now this is installing. Then it is close. And it is close automatic, then close it. Chipset. So you can see AMD chipset driver and click to download. It will start downloading. Then just open it and double click to exe. Then click to yes. And it is closed. It is done. LAN driver. So realtek LAN driver and this click to download here. It will start downloading. And opened it. Double and click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing the LAN driver. It is closed means this is done. Then restart your system and then check.